Hi all, let's see partial class in C Sharp. In C Sharp, you can split the implementation of a class, a structure, a method, or an interface in multiple class files using partial keyword. That is, you can split a class into two or more files. The compiler will combine all the implementation from multiple class files when the program is compiled. Let's see. Here created a sample console application. Inside this application created two class files, class A and class B. Let's create a student detail class inside this class A. Inside this class, just declare a variable student name and assign the value test. Let's make this class as partial. When making a class as partial, we can use the class into another file and extend implementation. Let's extend this class into another file. Inside this class B, let's create a student detail class and make as partial. Inside that, let's create a function and accessing that variable, this variable. When making partial class with the same name in multiple files, the compiler will combine all the implementations together so that we are accessing the student name here, this student name. Let's create an object for this class and access this method. Let's check by running. Here the value. So internally, all the implementation will combine and look like this for student detail class, like normal class. So by using partial keyword, we can split the class into multiple files. In creating a partial class, you should remember all the partial class definitions must be in the same assembly and namespace. All the parts must have the same accessibility as public or private, etc., and must have partial keyword. Any part is declared as abstract or sealed, then the entire class is considered as same type. If any part inherits a class, then the entire type inherits that class. Let's see. Let's create a sample function inside this class A. Let's make this class as public to inherit. Let's inherit this class A into student details. So here student details inherited class A. So you can access these function here or here. Let's access that function inside this class A method. In main function, I call this function. So automatically that function will execute it. Let's see. So here the result. Here in class A file, we inherit class A into student detail class. We cannot inherit any other class inside other path like this. It will show an error message because we already inherit class A. C# doesn't support multiple inheritance. The partial modifier can only appear immediately before the keywords class, struct, or interface. All the parts of the partial class will combine when the program is compiled. The advantage of partial class is when a class is split into two or more files, multiple programmers can work on the same class using different files. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.